You might think our solar system is a stable, unchanging place. But what if I told you that a cosmic dance is underway, one that could eventually lead to the end of our solar system as we know it? Imagine galaxies colliding, stars being thrown into chaos, and planets potentially being ejected into the vastness of space. This isn't the plot of a science fiction movie. It's a real scenario that astronomers are studying right now. Our story begins with the Milky Way, our galactic home, and its neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. These two massive galaxies are on a collision course, set to meet in about 4.5 billion years. Now, you might wonder, why should we care about something happening so far in the future? Well, the implications of this galactic collision are profound and fascinating. As Andromeda approaches, the gravitational pull between these two galaxies will start to distort their shapes. Stars will be flung from their current paths, creating a spectacular light show in the night sky. But what does this mean for our solar system? Will Earth survive this cosmic upheaval, or will it be cast out into the darkness of intergalactic space? Before we dive deeper, let's consider the sheer scale of this event. The Milky Way and Andromeda are both spiral galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars. When they collide, it will be a slow-motion dance, taking millions of years to play out. Despite the dramatic visuals, stars within these galaxies are so far apart that direct collisions between them are unlikely. However, the gravitational interactions will be intense. Now here's an intriguing fact. While the collision itself won't happen for billions of years, the effects will be felt much sooner. As the galaxies draw closer, the night sky will gradually change. Andromeda will become more prominent, eventually dominating the view from Earth. This will be a once-in-a-lifetime spectacle for any future inhabitants of our planet. But what about the fate of our solar system? Some scientists predict that our solar system might be flung into a new orbit within the merged galaxy. Others suggest it could be ejected entirely. This uncertainty makes the study of galactic collisions an exciting field of research, as astronomers use advanced simulations to predict possible outcomes. Interestingly, recent observations have revealed that the Milky Way is not as isolated as we once thought. It is part of a larger structure known as the Laniakea supercluster. Understanding our place in this vast cosmic web helps scientists better predict the future of our galaxy and its interactions with Andromeda. Now let's pause for a moment to consider the timeline. While 4.5 billion years seems like an eternity, it's worth noting that our Sun is already about 4.6 billion years old. By the time the Milky Way and Andromeda collide, the Sun will be nearing the end of its life, transitioning into a red giant. This means that even if our solar system survives the galactic merger, life on Earth will face its own existential challenges. As we unravel the mysteries of galactic collisions, we gain insights into the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. This cosmic dance reminds us that nothing is permanent, not even our solar system. So the next time you gaze up at the stars, remember that they are part of a grand cosmic story.